Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the topper's choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss subject-verb agreement and its rules. Actually, what is subject-verb agreement? When we write a sentence, we must make sure that the subject and the verb agree with each other. When we use a verb, we have to say who or what is doing the action. This who or what is the subject of the verb. The subject and the verb match each other. We say that the subject and the verb agree when they match each other. There are certain rules of subject and verb agreement. Basic rule number 1 is, if the subject is a singular noun or the pronoun he, she or it, we use a singular verb. See, for example, the subjects a boy, my brother, he, she, it, our school, etc. require a singular verb, and most singular verbs ends in s. For example, sings, plays, works, listens, etc. Now we'll see some examples. Aditi enjoys music. Here the subject is singular. That's why the verb is also singular, adding s to the main verb. She shares her books with her friends. Here, look at the subject, that is the pronoun she, and after that, base form of the verb has s suffix, that is shares. Some more examples. It is snowing. She eats bananas for breakfast. The earth moves around the sun. My brother always drives to work. The clerk is wrapping a package. Does everyone know the answer? Mom walks to work every day. Now the basic rule number 2, that is, we use a plural verb if the subject is a plural noun or the pronoun we, you or they. For example, the subjects boys, my brothers, we, you, they, our teachers, etc. require a plural verb. We do not add s or es or ies to plural verbs. Now we'll see some examples. The two girls always walk home together. Here the subject is plural, and according to the subject, the verb is also plural, that is without s or es. One more example. All birds lay eggs. Some more examples. The children are playing on the swing. The stars shine brightly on a clear night. Mom and Dad love us a lot. Do you all know the words? We have finished our game of tennis. They have both worked very hard. My sisters listen to music a lot. Some people drink tea. Rule number 3. Collective nouns may be used with either singular or plural verbs. If the group members are all acting together as one, use a singular verb. And if the members of the group are acting as individuals, use a plural verb. For example, The audience are laughing. One more example. The band is playing. Some more examples. Our team has won. Some more examples of singular. That family has moved to Delhi. The team is coached by Mr. Shah. Examples of plural verb. The family were giving their opinions. The team are sharing new ideas. Rule number 4. Some plural nouns such as people, cattle, police don't end with S. We always use a plural verb with these nouns. For example, people like to be praised. Here people, this word itself is plural. The cattle are in the field. The police have caught the thief. Rule number 5. Two singular subjects connected by or, either or neither nor require a singular verb. For example, my aunt or my uncle is arriving by train today. Here, look at the verb. It is singular. Some more examples. Either Ram or Shyam is helping today with stage decorations. Neither Ram nor Shyam is available. Now, rule number 6. As a general rule, use a plural verb with two or more subjects when they are connected by and. For example, Ram and Shyam are studying in the same class. Some more examples. A car and a bike are my means of transportation. Now, rule number 7. Sometimes the subject is separated from the verb by such words as along with, as well as, besides, not, etc. So these words and phrases are not part of the subject. Ignore them and use a singular verb when the subject is singular. See, for example, the politician along with the newsman is expected shortly. Here the subject is singular, that is politician. We have to ignore along with the newsman, and that's why the verb is singular, that is. Excitement as well as nervousness is the cause of her shaking. Now, rule number 8. Parentheses are not part of the subject. Parentheses, brackets. For example, Mohan, into bracket, and his trusty Sohan was always welcome. Here the main subject is only Mohan, that is why the verb is in singular. Mohan was always welcome. Now, rule number 9. In sentences beginning with here or there, the true subject follows the verb. See, for example, there are 4 hurdles to jump. Though the sentence begins with there, here the true subject is hurdles, which is plural, and that is why the verb are is also in plural. There is a high hurdle to jump. Here the true subject is singular, that's why the verb also is in singular. Here are the keys. Keys in plural. The verb are also in plural. Note the word theirs, a contraction of there is. Contraction means short form. So here this contraction of there is, theirs, leads to bad habits in informal sentences like there's a lot of people here today. Because it's easier to say there's than there are. Take care never to use theirs with a plural subject. Now rule number 10. Use a singular verb with distances, periods of time, sums of money, etc. when considered as a unit. See, for example, 3 miles is too far to walk. 5 years is the maximum sentence for that offense. $10 is a high price to pay. But remember, $10 when we use as dollar bills, $10 were scattered on the floor. Here the verb should be in plural. Rule number 11. With words that indicate portions, example, a lot, a majority, some, all. If the noun after of is singular, use a singular verb. If it is plural, use a plural verb. See, for example, a lot of the pie has disappeared. A lot of the pies have disappeared. Some more examples. A third of the city is unemployed. A third of the people are unemployed. All of the pie is gone. All of the pies are gone. Some of the pie is missing. Some of the pies are missing. Rule number 12 now. The word were replaces was in sentences that express a wish or are contrary to fact. How? See, for example, if Anju were here, you would be sorry. I wish it were Friday. So, dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.